Hi, yeah, my name's Greg McLeod. I'm a 2D animator and director, and I'm one half of the brothers McLeod, the other half being Miles, who's a writer. My first sort of contact with the computer was when I wanted to get into animation, heard about Flash, so I bought myself one of the original iMacs, and then more and more I sort of learnt about the software, and then sort of had to put a process together because we couldn't afford to go to other people for editing or sound. So we just started to find these programs that worked, and we now use all the Adobe Cloud stuff. So it's basically I animate in Flash, I edit in Premiere, use After Effects for any effects, I use Audition to do the sound. I kind of like going backwards and forwards all the time. It's slightly chaotic, but it kind of works for me. So I'll animate something, I put it into the edit, I'll fiddle around with it, add some sound effects, go back to Flash, change it, come back again. All the trouble and the problems I had to start with all these disparate programs have all been kind of solved by that. So for a Luddite on the computers like me, it means I can do my job, I can control the whole process, and it speeds things up obviously, which economically on a job really helps because I'm spending less time doing things I was doing before. So basically I've got a mirror setup of my main system on my laptop so I can animate wherever I am in the world. So it's quite nice to be able to just take the laptop with the software on and just kind of do it wherever I want to. The advantage with the cloud is it's a monthly subscription, so we know every month that's how much it costs. It's just much more intuitive and it works much better for us as a small company because we need to know what our outgoings and ingoings are. And if you get a sudden surprise of having to upgrade a lot of software, obviously that makes a dent in your projections and all those kind of businessy things. One of the good things I think that I've learned about cloud is that, especially when we're working with on a team, we've got like a group of animators. We use freelancers, so they're not in the studio; they're all around the country. And one of the things that has happened over the last couple of years is everyone's kind of on different levels of Flash is the main one. So some people on CS3, some on 4 or 5, and now on 6. Which obviously, when all the files are coming back in, can be quite difficult to kind of manage. So on a bigger project now, if we use the cloud team, we give them CS6. Flash or whichever version. I think that for us as an animation company using freelancers is a great addition and will prove very useful.